Now they have a sectioning procedure. It's 80 millimeters back.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm round in the corner. This ain't a persona.
I am back onto this Jeep Cherokee.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
This one got hit in the back and it actually buckled both of the frame rails. I got one of my frame rails in today. I'm still waiting on the other one, but I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this side apart. Now they have a sectioning procedure. It's 80 millimeters back from this hole right here. So my sectioning joint's gonna be right in this area. I'm gonna start cutting this back section out and I will trim back. I'll cut it long to start with and I'll trim back to that line, but I don't wanna cut too far to start with. So I'm gonna start getting that cut out. Well, I got that piece all trimmed out just like I want it, and now I have to trim out the section I'm going to use off of this new piece. So I'm going to cut this floor pan top off, and then I'll make my cut in the frame rail right where I need it. I got this frame rail section all fit up. I'll measure it out at the same time as I do this one. If I have to move it just a hair, I can. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this one all cut out now. So this frame rail is all fit up. This one is all trimmed out, but I'm still waiting on my part to show up. It's not here yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure this one, see if it's where it's supposed to be, and weld it in. There it is. Now the car is centered to the measuring system. Now I can come back here and measure this frame section out, make sure it's exactly where I want it. Well, this one measures out perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld this frame rail in, and hopefully my other one will show up early tomorrow so I could get it finished up on that side as well. Alright, the left frame rail is all done. My right one should be showing up tomorrow, and as soon as it shows up I will get that one in. But that's a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.